Good evening all. Myself N. Arun Kumar. I am going to talk about decoder and encoder circuits. Before going to start decoder and encoder circuits, we must know the terms and conditions of encoder and decoder circuits. So it is the one of the vital role playing in combination and sequential circuits. Especially for combination and sequential circuits, the lot of additional devices are adding in this above circuits. So based on the adding and additional circuits, the decoder and the encoders are playing a vital role because if you want to transmit any number of signals or if you give the any input signal to the corresponding sequential and combinational circuit means the authentication will be an important one. So based on the authentication only we will know about the concerned signal as a correct one or a wrong one. So like that, the encoder and decoders are very important for both the circuits. Here we are going to see how the decoders are perform during the combination and sequential circuits. So in decoder circuits, initially they are given about n number of input signals. So n is nothing but number of input values. The based on the n inputs, the output will be taken as a 2 power n output signals. So for example, if you are giving n as a 2 input signal means then the output will be taken as a 2 power n. 2 power 2 means 4 output signal will be taken in the decoder circuits. So next slide, the decoders are performing like 2 to 4 decoders. Initially they are given two input signals A and B, followed by the input signal. The output will be taken as a Z0, Z1, Z2 and Z3. If the input signal has two input signal means there are four combinations are available: 0 or 0, 0 or 1 or 1 or 0 or 1 or 1. Based on the two input signals, two combinations, the signals may be generated in the input signal, and based on that the output may be generated for each and every signals age, every signals of the output signal. The Z0 means the initial starting input signal 00 means then the value will be executed, followed by the next values are assigned based on the input signals. And the decoders, if you are having three input binary input signals means the same operation will be executed because we are giving only three input signals. The followed by the output is 2 power n, 2 power 3 is 8 signals, so 8 bits are generated based on the three input signals. All the inputs are based on the output authentication values. And next one is decoder with the enable signals. So here enable means we are making the signal, any one signal as a grounded signal or switching on or off conditions. Based on the on off conditions, the signals may be executed in the previous table. And next one is encoders. So far we have discussed about only the topic decoders. Now we are going to see encoders. Encoder means n input and 2 power n output. The reverse operation will be followed in this encoder technique. Encoders, 2 power n input and n output will be taken as a encoder signals. 2 power n means 2 power 2 is 4 signals, so 4 input will be given in this encoders, and the output will be taken as a 2 n. The output will be taken as n equal to 2. The same value will be implemented in this regards. And priority encoders, the priority encoder is based on the priority values, because so for example, if you want some signals in third signal, or if you want the transmit signal as a fourth signal as we need means, at the time we are using priority encoders. The same operation will be continued by using the valid bit signals. So in this valid bit, we may follow the signals like input one, because if you want third signal will be a priority means we can use at the time as a one, so that the previous input signals are generated, so that we may get the concerned output as a priority one. So like that, all the input signals may be generated based on the priority encoder's value. So in examples, in university exams or exams, they are asking question like design a 3-bit encoder circuit by using the below values. So based on the values, first of all, we may design a truth table, and followed by a truth table, we may create a logical K-map diagram. KMF diagram. After that, we can create logical expressions. Based on the expressions only, we may form the logical digital circuits. Thank you.